Your closet tells a story. Sometimes it's a quiet story of order and peace. Other times, it's a heavy tale of clutter, forgotten clothes, and dust hiding in corners. But what if you could reset? What if this fall, you stepped into your closet and found not chaos, but calm? Today, we follow the Amish way, a step-by-step journey of clearing, folding, and preparing for the season. Simple hands, honest methods, a transformation that feels deeper than cleaning. Stay with me, because this is not just about clothes, it's about life. A quiet beginning with simplicity. It always begins small. A closet, a door closed too long. You pull it open and there it is, heavy with fabric, shadows, and memory. For the Amish, that first moment matters. They don't rush. They don't just grab a shirt and toss it. They stand still. They breathe. A thought comes. Does this closet honor the season? Fall is not summer. Fall carries a chill in the morning. It speaks of wood smoke, horses pulling wagons, and fields turning brown. The Amish see cleaning not just as work, but as rhythm, a way of matching life with the land. It's not about fancy systems or shiny storage bins. It's about readiness. It's about heart. That pause, that prayer, that silence, it sets the tone. Then they begin, removing everything from the space. You can't clean a closet while it's still full. That's their rule. So they empty it. Every hanger, every folded pile, even a coat that looks too heavy to move. Out it goes, onto a bed, a bench, maybe even the floor. Amish hands are steady, no rush, no noise. The closet becomes bare. Empty wood, naked shelves. For a second it looks almost sad, like a barn with no tools inside. But that emptiness is the point. Without it you can't see what you own. Without it you can't face the truth. The Amish know. Clutter hides in corners. Dust piles up in the dark. Taking it all out forces the eyes to see. It's like wiping a slate clean. Hard but necessary. Sorting with honest reflection. This is where honesty hurts. A shirt too tight. A coat with a rip never fixed. A pair of shoes that once felt strong but now rubs the heel raw. Amish families don't lie to themselves about such things. They ask simple questions. Does it fit? Is it strong? Do I need it this season? If the answer fails, the item goes in another pile. They don't cling. They don't keep just in case. That's modern worry, not Amish clarity. But there's no waste either. Worn pants may turn into quilt squares. A faded shawl may keep a neighbor warm. The closet is not a grave for fabric. It's a place for what works now. Sorting is less about loss and more about sharpening life. Cutting the noise. Keeping the core. Cleaning the bare closet thoroughly. Now the real work begins. The closet is stripped, open, waiting. Dust on the shelves, tiny cobwebs in the corner, maybe even a faint smell of damp. Amish women and men take their time here. No sprays with chemicals. No wipes that promise quick fixes. A rag, a bucket with vinegar, water, maybe baking soda. That's all. They scrub the wood until it shines. They wipe each corner. They sweep the floor. Not rushed, not careless. Slow circles of fabric on wood. The air changes. It smells sharper, fresher, honest. By the end, the closet feels different. It looks like it could breathe. It could hold new order. They know the space is now ready for another season. Clean not just in sight, but in spirit. Folding and mending before returning. Before clothes go back, they stop. Each piece in their hands is checked. A button loose. They sew it. A tear small enough. They mend it. Nothing tossed without trying first. This is not about perfection, but respect. Respect for the cloth, for the work that made it, for the hands that will wear it again. Clothes folded neatly, smooth edges, piled steady like bricks in a wall. A coat is brushed, sleeves aligned. A bonnet is placed flat, no crease. This step slows time. It makes you feel the worth of even a plain shirt. It keeps the closet from filling with broken things that wait too long for repair. By the time they finish, each garment feels ready. Ready to be worn, ready to serve. Grouping by function and season. Fall is not summer, so the closet must shift. Amish order is practical, not stylish. Everyday clothes in one row. Sunday clothes separate, folded or hung apart. Work garments in reach. Heavier pants, sturdy shirts, shawls thick enough for morning frost. Lighter summer clothes go back, deeper inside, stacked behind. The logic is simple. Keep what you'll use closest. Save time. Save thought. This way, when the morning comes cold and dark, no one searches. The right clothes are right there. Easy. Natural. The Amish avoid wasted motion. The closet becomes not just storage but rhythm. Workdays, Sundays, gatherings, all arranged with care. One look inside and the season speaks back. Respecting space and breathing room. When the Amish finish, the closet never looks stuffed. There's space. Open wood between hangers. Shelves not stacked to breaking. By modern eyes it looks half empty. But that emptiness is chosen. They believe space carries peace. Crowding brings stress, mess, even dust. Leaving gaps makes cleaning easier next time. Leaving space also means you value what you kept. You don't bury it under noise. You let it breathe. You let yourself breathe. A closet with room feels calm, not just useful. The Amish don't measure by how much they can keep, but by how little they truly need. That principle shapes everything they touch. Creating a rhythm for maintenance. Cleaning once is easy. Keeping it clean is the test. Amish families know this, so they treat organization as rhythm. Every season, the closet is opened, checked, shifted. Fall brings coats forward, boots on the bottom shelf, gloves in small baskets. Winter sharpens that rhythm even more. Spring lightens it. Summer pulls it back. There is no deep clean once a year. Instead, there's steady attention. When a shirt is torn, it's fixed now, not later. When a pair of shoes wears thin, it's set aside today, not next month. That rhythm means clutter never wins. It's not about big dramatic projects. It's about daily steps. Quiet, consistent, strong, sharing and passing down with gratitude. Not everything stays. Some things go, but they don't go in the trash first. Amish families pass clothes down. Younger siblings, cousins, neighbors. A dress too small for one girl may fit another perfectly. A coat too heavy for one man may warm someone older. And if it's too worn to wear, it's cut, sewn, given new life in a quilt. Even scraps have a place. That attitude keeps waste away. It also builds community. Sharing clothes is not just charity. It is connection. It says, I have enough. You may need this more. In that way, decluttering becomes giving. A cycle instead of an end. At last, it's done. Clothes folded, coats hung, boots lined up. The closet stands quiet, ready. You close the door, but this time it feels different. Lighter. The work is not just physical. It touches deeper. The Amish see this stillness as reward. A clean closet mirrors a clean mind. Order inside the home creates calm inside the heart. Fall is coming with its frost and long nights. But now the space is prepared. The family is prepared. They didn't just declutter. They didn't just clean. They stepped into another season with less burden, more peace. And in the Amish way, that is enough. That is everything. And that's how the Amish prepare their closets for fall. No rushing, no waste, just rhythm, care, and calm order. Maybe your own space doesn't need to look exactly like theirs, but the lesson is clear. Declutter what you don't need. Respect what you keep. And leave room to breathe. Every season can be lighter if you choose it. This was Rustic Pantry, where we share timeless wisdom for simple living. If this journey spoke to you, stay close. We have more stories, more lessons, waiting just for you. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it honest, keep it rustic.